Let's talk about designing tattoos that make people say, wow. I want to share with you 3 very important tips that all great tattoos must have. Hey, welcome back. As always, I'm Ben Fisher, the owner and artist right here at Inkbrush. Designing a tattoo that people look at and think, wow, isn't the easiest thing to do. But following these 3 tips will definitely help your tattoo stand out from the crowd. Before we start, make sure that you're subscribed and have the little bell clicked. I've got tons of videos just like this one that will be getting uploaded on a regular basis, and you can't afford to miss the information that I'll be sharing with you all. So let's get straight into tip 1, design and location. So the first thing as a tattooist that we need to find out from the customer is their idea or design and where they want it on the body, the location. Why is it important? Well, some designs fit a body part perfectly and some just don't work. Now, you can do the most amazing tattoo in the world, but if it's in the wrong location, well, it just ruins the design. I want to show you a couple of examples so you can clearly see what I mean. Now, I've just pulled a few random designs from the internet, so let's see if they work on different body parts. Let's imagine a customer has just walked into the shop. Hey, I really want this tattoo design. And then I'd be like, wow, that looks really nice. Where do you want it? On my hand. Well, as we can see, the design just isn't a fit for that location. It doesn't matter what angle we try and do it or what size we try and do it. It just isn't the right design for the hand. We could alter the design and change things around or add or remove aspects of it to make it fit, but they want that exact design. Okay, so what if they said, I want that exact design on my inner forearm? Bingo, that works pretty well. The design and the location are a good fit. Let's have a look at another one. Someone comes in asking for this design tattooing. Where would you like it? On my chest. Now again, this design just isn't the right shape to fit anywhere nicely on the chest. You can't put it just on one side because it doesn't fill the area correctly or fit with the shape of the body. And same problem trying to fill the chest. Just doesn't look right, even on its side. However, if we wanted it on the lower leg as an example, well, that works. We can see it fits the body parts and flows nicely. It takes the same shape and direction as the body part it's on. So I think this would work pretty well. Tip number 2, size. Now, the size of a tattoo can have a huge impact on the design itself, but also how it fits the body part, the location. First of all, let me explain how it affects the design. Take this design as an example. As we can see, it's got a good amount of detail. Now, you have to remember that you want a tattoo to look good in years to come. Now, when a tattoo has just been done on the day, it looks amazing. All the lines are super neat and smooth. Now, over the healing process and forever after, the body is trying to get rid of that ink if it can. Now, the small detailed lines spread ever so slightly underneath the skin. This is just part of the body's healing and it cannot be avoided. So we need to remember to allow for that. If we make a tattoo or the details in it too small, then even if it looks good on the day, over time, those lines don't have enough space to allow for the body's natural healing process and can end up merging together and just look like a big smudge. Now let's look at how the size can also affect the location of the tattoo. Let's use this one as an example. Looks really nice as a design, would look really nice as a chest tattoo, for example. Now, if we do it too small, then as you can see, we end up having a gap all the way around. It almost looks like it's just floating around and not really part of the body. It doesn't flow with shape of the customer or enhance its features. So we want to make the design big enough to fit the body part correctly and flow with the same shape. Take this one again, nice design, nice place on forearm for it to go. But if we do it small again, it just looks like it's floating around. There's too much emptiness around it. It doesn't flow and leaves loads of dead space. If we adjust the size so the design now fits correctly, it totally transforms the look of the tattoo. Make sure that when you're designing a tattoo, you size it to correctly fit the body part that it's going on. The third tip I want to talk about in this video is contrast. Now there's so much to creating a good design, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and give the content a good watch. The entire channel is full of useful information to take your tattooing to that next level. If you're new to tattooing or even already an artist and want to learn more skills, then I've developed a full 6 months day-by-day course, and I've uploaded the first 30 days completely free of charge right here on my YouTube channel. I'll add a link in the description below so you can go check it out after watching this video. Now, contrast to me is very, very important when creating a design. It gives the tattoo depth and that deep, realistic look. However, it also does something else. It helps the tattoo stand the test of time. Like we've said, we want our work to look good in years to come. So this tip really can't be overlooked. Take this design as an example. Looks nice, but if we make the darks a little bit darker and the lights a little bit lighter, then in years to come, it helps the tattoo still look its best and will help it still pop off the skin. Now, one tip to remember is that when you're designing the tattoo, it may look like you've increased the contrast too much. Remember, the skin isn't white and the tattoo will look lower in contrast on a person's skin than what it would do on a screen. Now, if you want to learn more on tattooing or designs, make sure that you check out the rest of the channel. And if you're really wanting to learn everything that you can and want to do it in a structured way, no guessing what to learn or jumping from one thing to another, then check out my full 6 months course. Day-by-day lessons that cover everything from line work to complete realism portraits. Many of my current students all have the same things to say. It's the most structured, complete tattoo course available, and the speed which you improve almost seems too good to be true. Well, let me tell you, it isn't. When you're following something that learns you in the correct way and the correct pace, then you too could be seeing unbeatable improvement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at next one. Cheers.